Hello, my dear Protons Army. A very warm welcome to today's session. This is Nikki ma'am, your chemistry teacher at Vedantu. I hope आपका दिन काफी अच्छा गया होगा. आज के सेशन में I'm going to tell you the difference between studying long hours versus studying short hours, which is very effective for your exam. So let's start today's session. मुझे बताओ आप सब कैसे हो? Let's start today's session with a bit of motivation. Keep your face always towards the sunshine and shadows will fall behind you. You have to always keep moving forward, whatever is the situation, because life goes on. Right, bacha party? Okay, you can follow me on Instagram and Telegram as well. Instagram का handle मैंने mention कर दिया है, Nikita_08SAHU. Now, there's a difference between studying for long hours and studying for effectively short hours. So let us have a look at the difference. Studying for long hours can give you fatigue and decrease concentration, which can result in reduced retention of information. Shorter study sessions with breaks in between can help maintain focus and prevent boredom. So what exactly happens, bacha party? Exam के time में obviously you have to put in more efforts, है ना? Study time बढ़ाना पड़ता है. Is very true. But there's a difference. What you need to do अगर आपको बहुत effective तरीके से exam की तैयारी करनी है, instead of monotonous long hours of study, आप breaks ले लो बीच बीच में, right? So it will actually effectively, make you more focused. आपने जो भी चीज पढ़ा है वो आपके मेमोरी में ज्यादा टाइम तक रिटेन होगा. Because if you're studying at a stretch for like 2 hours, 3 hours without any break, तो वो आपके लिए इतना बेनिफिशियल नहीं होता है. आप बीच बीच में अपने बॉडी को भी रेस्ट दो, आराम दो. थोड़ा सा 5-10 मिनट के लिए you can chill, you can listen to some good songs, go for a walk, eat something of your your choice, preferably healthy, right? So that will be very useful for food. Now, what research has shown that spacing out study sessions over time can enhance long-term retention compared to cramming for long hours. तो चीज मैंने बोली कि शॉर्टर स्टडी सेशंस जो होते हैं वो आपके रिटेंशन को, कोई भी चीज आपने पढ़ा है, कोई भी टॉपिक आप रिवाइज कर रहे हो, उसको रिटेन करने में बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल हो. क्योंकि अगर आप फटीग, बहुत थकान आपको महसूस हो रहा है इतने टाइम तक पढ़ के भी, so it is not that effective. If you compare it with shorter study sessions with breaks in between, that is going to be very effective. तो ये आप पक्का ट्राई करके देखना. Now, always go for quality over quantity. It's not just about the number of hours you have spent studying, but also about the quality of study. Obviously, भले ही आप 1 hour पढ़ो, you are taking the break of 5 minutes. This is going to be comparatively effective क्योंकि आपने जो 1 घंटा पढ़ाई की है without any distraction पढ़ाई की है, you were solely with studying, no distraction, you were highly concentrated. उसके बाद आपने ब्रेक लिया 5 मिनट का, that will be comparatively more effective rather than just monotonously studying for 2-3 hours without any break. आपको थकान महसूस हो रही है, you're not happy, so it's of no use, right? Now, shorter study sessions जो होते हैं वो ज्यादा effective हो सकते हैं if they are focused and productive rather than spending long hours passively reading or skimming through material. है ना, वही चीज मैं कह रही हूँ कि अगर आप बस रट रहे हो चीजों को just for the name से कि हाँ हमें पढ़ाई करनी है, instead of that please make sure you go ahead for quality over quantity. Okay, now bacha party, before we proceed ahead, we have the ICSAT, which is Instant Vedantu Scholarship Admission Test, and you can actually get admissions in our courses and earn up to 70% scholarship. The link is given to you in the description box. You can take the test from our offline centers. अगर आपको NEET 8 to 10th Foundation JEE में admission चाहिए, you should definitely go ahead with the Vedantu Scholarship Test. You can take tests from anywhere, anytime, earn up to 2x scholarship by taking ICSAT at our offline center. Offline centers यहाँ पे already mentioned है, and you can get one-to-one counseling session by our experts, which would be very useful. तो ये हमारे offline centers हैं जिनका clear picture हमने आपको दे दिया है. Now, next is active learning. Engaging in active learning techniques such as summarizing, teaching others, or practicing problems can be more effective in shorter bursts than prolonged study sessions. Effective और active learning practice you can actually go through. What these things include? आपको कोई टॉपिक अच्छे से आता है, you can actually have a group study wherein आप कोई टॉपिक अपने दूसरे फ्रेंड को एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो, तो वो ऑब्वियसली क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करेंगे, तो वो टॉपिक और ज्यादा क्रिस्टल क्लियर होगा आपके, राइट? rather than just आप क्रैमिंग कर रहे हो, आप मगअप कर रहे हो चीजों for prolonged duration. So you can actually go for active learning. Individual preferences. Some people may find that they perform better with longer study sessions, while others may prefer shorter, more frequent sessions. Now again, individual preferences. These things are actually very subjective. आपको अपने पे काम करना है. Few बच्चा पार्टी it can actually work for longer durations. वो चीज आपके लिए effective होती है. कुछ लोग थोड़े टाइम के लिए पढ़ते हैं, दे टेक ब्रेक, और ज्यादा टाइम तक वो टॉपिक आपके मेमोरी में रिटेन रहता है. सो इट एक्चुअली इज ऑल्सो वेरी सब्जेक्टिव. So you have to make sure you do the hit and try method and find out what is actually beneficial. Right? Okay, so that's it from my side. I hope you found today's session useful and productive. मुझे जरूर बताना आज का सेशन आपको कैसा लगा, और मुझे कमेंट में जरूर मेंशन करना कि आपके लिए कौन ज्यादा इफेक्टिव है, लॉन्ग स्टडी आवर्स या शॉर्ट स्टडी. So that's it from my side, Bachcha Party. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and do share it with your friends as well. See you very, very soon. Happy learning. Bye-bye.